Huge shout out to my guy Gary for this one. Appreciate you, bud.
Check it out. Would you guys believe somebody's throwing away a perfectly well seized up snowblower that doesn't run? Do you guys believe that in summertime? Just in time for winter, right? In the middle of June? It's the end of June now. That doesn't matter. Either way, perfectly seized up, thrown away. So that means free. How neat. We're gonna try to fix it. All right.
You guys, I don't know what kind of witch wizard wiccanry that I just performed right there, but apparently whatever I just did was some kind of rain dance of some sorts, because it just freaking rained like mad. Holy buckets. So if you live in like a small desolate village or something that it's like going through a drought of some sorts or whatever, and you need some water, just revert back to this video. I got you covered. One of those things that I did in the dance moves had to be the ticket. So you'll be good. Got you.
So this bit of excellence of an event right here is how I found out that it was seized. Go figure. And you know, of course I put gas in it first before pulling it over, and gas went everywhere. So the flow ball sticks, that means we got to pull the carburetor off this thing and clean that too. Alright, now get to this here carb motator. You yank this here off. Some kind of ignition key. It's got to go. There's a 5/16 screw right here. Got to loosen up a little bit. And there was 2 screws right here, Phillips heads. Look something like this. That I took out of there. 2 of them to get to the carburetor. Now what I have done already is I've taken the spark plug out. Right, and while it was raining, took some good old PV Blaster, not sponsored, but good stuff. And I sprayed a liberal amount in the spark plug hole here. Let it sit the whole time it was raining, which was about 2.5 hours. So hopefully that'll be long enough. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take something long, skinny, pokey, and hopefully slide in there past them valves on the top of this here motor and give it a little bop with a hammer right on the top, and hopefully that will unstop the engine. Arrow's a little dark, but I mean there's definitely some clear in there. Run it. Also 1/4 inch for the pull start, since you know I broke that. That needs rewound. Alright, 5/16. Like that. Yep. Ugh. Looks nasty up in there. Yikes. Okay, that's that. While we're here, change out 1/4 inch. Good guess. And leave it. Leave it. They're small. Ready? Let's do it again. Oh, no, one more over here. There she goes. So Now my only thing is I'm all out of gasket material to cut out, and I don't have a new gasket for behind that there carburetor, so I don't want to take it all the way off, really. Well, I look down here, what it appears to look like is there's a screw and a nut that I can just take out of there and hopefully drop off the float bowl, and I can just either blow some air, or a combination of both, blow some air and some carb cleaner through the jets through the bottom. What the hell? And so yeah, hopefully that'll get her good enough to where it'll run at least a little bit. There's that there screw nut on the bottom of the carburetor float bowl that I was talking about there. Alright, so it's probably going to be really hard to see. You might not be able to, but oh yeah, you can. Alright, so looking down at this spark plug hole, what you're looking at there is the top of the valves, right? There to the side of it is the area where I could slide this here long, skinny poker device that I got in my hand to try and get to the top of that piston, bob it down, free it up, hopefully. So that's what we're going to do now. Alright. Now I didn't feel anything move in there, but sometimes that's all you need is just a little bop to free it up, whatever's holding it up inside there, whether it be like rust on the piston ring, contacting the cylinder wall that's seized up, or whatever it is in there. It could be damaged parts, you know, it could be a ring that's broken and hung up sideways in there, so we don't know. But only one way to find out. So rewind this pull starter and clean this carburetor, see what happens. Level 1s, baby. 11mm. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, right guys? Jeez. Come on, give it back. Custom sealing washer, it looks like. Right on. Ugh. Some rust in there. Ugh. Actually don't look too bad. There's definitely some particles in there though. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, hopefully. Yeah, you can. I took care of a lot of it. Have a look, see here. Yeah. Definitely seen some varnish, or whatever you call it. Hello. You guys think this line's dry rotted enough or what? Goodness. So I'm gonna try and weasel this here float off, or this pole out of this here float, and so I can blow up in the needle and seat valve, because obviously that's what's causing them to leak, is something in the needle and seat valve. Yeah, I didn't figure it was gonna be that easy. There we go. There we go. Wow, it actually looks clean. The seat, or the needle, I mean. Seat's probably effed. That's not carb cleaner, but it'll suffice. Oh, you see it all come out the bottom there? That's a good sign. Flip-hole gasket stuck up on there. I was gonna try and leave it there, I reckon. Should be wearing safety glasses. Oakley's. Holla. Not sponsored, but hey, what's up, Oakley? You watching? Hook me up. I love you guys. I rep to the fullest, yo. You know what I'm saying? Chicka chicka what? Yeah. I think yeah. Oh, air. Watch your eyeballs. Take it first. Well, actually, it was second in my case, but it should be first. Fire in a hole. Hole number 1, anyway. Which hole? Seat hole. Needle seat. Main gut. There's something happening there. Uh-huh. Yeah. Much better. Mucho más better. Oh yeah. Clean, you know what I mean? Q-tips, cotton swabs, arts and crafts sticks, paper, plastic with cotton on the end, whatever your country calls them or whatever you guys call them. These things. Gotta get up in the seat, right? Get a little swirly swirl. Shove it all the way up in there. Oh yeah, get up in there. Oh goodness, yeah. Ooh, so good, so deep, yeah. All that nastiness in there. One more time, just for good measure. Oh God, not twice. Oh. Double-sided, you know what I'm saying? Double penetration, baby, yeah. Likes that. Oh look, see, good thing we went twice. That's good. Getting her back together and see what we got. Careful. Oh, got an hole again. Ooh, select it. Let's switch into something. Well, I'll tell you what, having this thing on my freaking face is real convenient, you know? Super convenient. Not. But it's riveted on there, so can't take it off once I cut the wire, and that's the ignition wire and the kill wire, so I can't do that either. Just gotta be in my face. Oh well. Sacrifices, you know? You know, I know you know. Oh God, nothing the backside and the bottom, oh God. Oh yeah, right in there. I gotta screw it in, baby. Screw it in real tight, real good, yeah. Oh yeah, you like the way I screw that in there? Yeah. She likes it. Oh, sorry y'all. Too much. Too much fun in the sun. That's why I don't run. But I bought a gun. But I don't have a son. So, that's all I got. Oh man, I killed myself. Not literally, because... No. Double ones, 11. Tighten her up. Nice and snoog. Snoog is Lebanese for snug. Not Lebanese, legendese. Get it? Legendee, legend, D, legendary, legendese. Legendese nuts! Hey, remember that righty tighty left loosey thing? Yeah. Clockwise, counterclockwise? Yeah, me too. Obviously. Oh yeah, she's snuggle. She's snoog alright. Snoog is a boog and a roog. Snug is a bug in the rug, if you didn't catch that. Drinking out of a mug while he's doing the drug. Ooh, looking like a slug. But he's being a thug. Carbs clean. Back together. Cool. Pull starter. Hopefully it runs. Gasoline. That too. And then, hopefully it runs. Just thought of something. See that? So we got the pull starter off already. Might as well not rewind the pull rope and then pull it to only break it again if it's fucking, or if it's still seized. So, impact on the flywheel nut. That'll break it free. Guarantee it. Watch. Oh, gotta go to 3 here. Yeah, get some. Ryobi Tools, baby. Fully endorsed by Legendaric. Not sponsored. Tried, true, and tested, though. Through time, through trials. Durable, long-lasting. Good old Ryobi. Cheap, enough. I love them. Freaking love them. Ryobi, you guys are amazing. The shit. Love Ryobi Tools, guys. Moment of truth, ready? Just kidding, need an extension first. Extension. Engage. Fires the missiles. Let's see. Full starter goes that way, so we pull the motor that way. I guess it don't matter. Spark plugs out. Maybe not. 1 second. El barro de breaker. Breaker bar. For you English folk like me. Minus el extensión. Ole! Ready? Moment of truth, here we go. Spark plug's out, by the way. You guys saw that. That's an unseized motor, boys and girls. Now, put some freaking gas in it. Rewind the starter. Put the spark plug back in. Pull it over. She gonna run. I got a real good feeling. It's gonna be a winner. Yes. That was a 19 mil on that flywheel nut for those of y'all that carried the Wonder Sun, by the way. Alright, so first thing first, gotta get this little knot out of here.
Be gone. She gone. Alright, now you can see that way spring tension. Yep. So we can wind it under tension here. Keep winding and winding and winding and winding and winding and winding and winding. Good exercise on the wrists and forearms, I'll tell you what. Get arm pump doing this long enough. Alright, there we go. We're stopped out. Maxed out. So now, oh wait, I gotta line up the hole. Let's see, where's my feed hole here? There it is. Back up a little bit. Alright, so now, I don't know if you can see, feed hole lined up with feed hole, I guess. Think. Right, now what we can do, we can go like this. Oh, grab a placeholder here, jam it somewhere, so that way she doesn't go running away on me. All the way through there like that. Oh, it doesn't unwind. How neat. Alright, need to burn this. Maybe freaking wind. All this is doing is just shrinking it down so it doesn't separate and get all frayed out, so I can feed it through the hole, that tiny little hole, a little bit better. A lot of times these nylon ropes will have like this wax coating on it that'll melt together real nice. Make it really easy to pass through holes, tiny holes. There you go. So I got there. Right? So that big frayed bally mess that was on there before. So now, just take this. Bam. Right through the feeder hole. Oh, I saw you. Where'd you go? Back this train up a little bit. A couple of holes worth. There we go. There it is, right through there. Bam! Like a glove. There she is. Ow, still a little hot. Tie her up in a nice little knot here. Get her nice and naughty, you know what I'm saying? Nice and naughty. So doing scaring loop, swoop, and pull, you know what I mean? Nothing fancy here. I'm gonna burn it together to make sure that it don't go nowhere. Get a nice pull on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! Just a little bit of reassurance there. Cool. Voila! Now ready for this? My favorite part. Watch your face when you do this. Do this carefully if you do this. Swing that over there. And woo! Rewound. Sweet. Shove her back on there. That spark plug in that there hole, man, and crank this thing over, man. She gonna go get some gasoline up in that something going, man. You know what I'm saying? See if we can get that thing spinning and purring, baby. You and throwing some snow. Summertime. Grass? Nah, we'll get that motor purring and we'll get that auger moving and get it driving. So we drive back to the shed and put it away for wintertime. That's what we're gonna do there, boy. Yeah, boys and girls. Yeah, boy. Yeah, what are we gonna do? I'll tell you what. Let's get on it. All right.
You know, I'm really not too thrilled this is a champion plug, but we're going to run it anyways. It don't look that bad, so Just gonna burn it out. Make sure all the nasties up are out of there. Make sure all the nasties are up out of there. If I can talk right, jeez. You guys understand what I'm saying? Wow, must be lit hot. Good conductor. Yee. All right. Hey, you're welcome. I spared you all the pain of watching me put the rest of it back together. Majority of it anyways. But there she is. All switches in place and whatnot. Choke full. Bam, go ahead and put that to run just now. Spark plug is in my hand. About to go in. It is like shockingly clean in there. Check that out. How neat. How about that? Just a little bit, not too much. Or not less than that time, or the first time. Starting fluid. Ha, that'll get her. That'll get her started. One little spark, I don't go ba-doom. Probably throw the daggum piston right at the bottom of the block, man. Has so much daggum boom going up in there, you know what I mean? You better watch out, sonny. Yeehaw. Here she comes. Oh, better tighten her down first, you know what I mean? Holy buckets. Just snug. Did y'all hear that? Can't start fluid talking smack. Holy cow. Holy buckets. What a ruckus. There we go. Is that right? Make sure she's on there real good, you know what I mean? Bam. It sucks to push. Full choke. Keys in. On run. Prime it up. Carburetor's not leaking, so that's a good sign. Although the primer's not doing much of anything. So that kind of concerns me a little bit. We'll see. Alright, here we go. Y'all ready? Because I sure am. Come on, baby. You know what I'm saying? Get that piston moving just a couple of times real quick. Look at that. That's cool. Not very much compression, though. Ether.
Round 2, fight. Woo. Oh yeah, boys and girls. She wanted to go. Half choke. Back to full choke. Oh boy. Carburetor's got fuel. Like we're getting somewhere. It doesn't even smoke, you guys and girls. Talk about legendary. That's what I'm talking about. Heck yeah. What a win. Free 99, boys and girls. So we gotta figure out how to adjust the auger, because it doesn't look like the auger's engaging, the actual snow thrower part. Other than that, man, that thing purrs. That thing runs like a top. So figure out how to get that adjusted, and then we'll be good to go, 100%. Legendary, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm legendary, y'all.
Fully functional. Hell yeah. She's just a little stuck down there, that's all. The cable for the auger drive. She's good to go though. I'm cool with it. Let's soak in some PB for a couple months till winter time. Shoot. Thank you all so much for watching, joining me on another fantastically successful episode of Legendary Fixes. Got me a new snowblower, FREE. Y'all, sick. Huge win for today. So, thank you all again. I appreciate y'all so much. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. And don't forget to check out the other channels too, you know. Subscribe to them. Legendary on Wheels and Legendary. You know what it is, baby. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace out. Stay legendary, y'all. Bye.
You got the lawnmower dance?
Oh, man. Come on. I'm trying.
Oh.